Alright, time for another conference. This time I'm heading to Facts, Belgium's biggest and oldest Comic-Con right here in Ghent. It's held in Flanders Expo, a gigantic event hall of more than 50,000 square meters, where more than 45,000 visitors will come over the course of 2 days. It has all the typical Comic-Con things, like famous actors that do Q&As, all kinds of shops, cosplay, comics and of course, games. And that's where I come in, because I will be bringing the only pinball experience of the entire event, and for that I will be bringing my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, as well as my virtual pinball machine. If you want to know more about it, check out the playlist right here. For the occasion, I added some extra pinballs to the virtual pin that will fit the theme of the convention, like Ghostbusters, Spider-Man and Batman. This time I'll also bring some upgrades, like some text and pictures of the virtual pinball machine, as well as a video of the build process on the top screen. I won't show the entire moving process again because I already covered that in my previous video about Nerdland Festival. Definitely check it out, it's a really fun video. Anyway, let's pack everything up and hit the road to Flanders Expo. And there we go, the booth is ready. I'm eager to see what Facts has in store because it's my first time attending. Actually, I just realized that I haven't explained anything about the virtual pinball machine yet, so maybe let's dive into that a bit before the conference starts. A real pinball is truly an intricate machine full of mechanical elements that interact with the ball. There are flippers to shoot the ball away, pop bumpers to add chaos to the ball, targets to hit, ramps to let the ball fly across, and all kinds of special mechanisms. A virtual pinball, however, has none of that. Well, it's actually kind of complicated. The basic concept is that the playfield is replaced by a big screen, which is powered by a PC. Real pinballs can then be emulated in software and played digitally. However, there's more than meets the eye. To make the experience more realistic, the machine is packed with all kinds of electronics. There are real pinball mechanisms that actuate, synchronized with the game, a shaker motor to vibrate the entire cabinet, special speakers to play all the mechanical sounds, and much, much more. Now that you know a bit more about the virtual pinball machine, let's kick off Facts.
Wij vonden het super leuk, hè Max? Geniaal!
Ja, het was wel leuk om te spelen. Het is ook weer iets anders. Het is wel leuk.
Super cool gemaakt en vrij wijs om te spelen.
Fantastisch leuk. Heel nostalgisch.
The booth is doing awesome at the moment, but PAX has a lot more in store than just my booth, of course, so let's explore.
What's their noise? Here's what I'm gonna do. Round one. How do I know I can trust you?
And that's a wrap. What an incredible mix of geek culture, cosplay, comics and fun that was. The scale of Facts is just insane. It just shows how big the community really is. People were playing at my booth the entire time, I met some amazing visitors and I just loved seeing everyone play on my machines and seeing them having so much joy. Really an unforgettable experience. I've been privileged to attend 3 major conventions this year. It still feels so unreal to merely going from visiting the Maker Faire a couple of years ago to hosting a booth there and at even bigger events. It's a reminder that with creativity and passion you can achieve way more than you think. And on that inspirational note, thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, or even subscribe if you want to see more projects just like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.